Even when your drawings are ugly, they still have purpose. Take the ugly fox drawing contest. Vote on your favorite drawing. This is how you get better, practicing different drawing techniques like cross-hatching and shading, using lines. Lines are an element of design. Now, you can take your vote on which principle of design is used in each fox. For instance, this fox has symmetry. You can see the line of symmetry, splitting the face down the middle. This is asymmetrical symmetry because it has one eye is lower than the other. There is more detail on one side than the other. And even the snout of the fox is different. Stay tuned for more drawing exercises